A passerby made a gruesome discovery of a body on Wednesday morning on a premises in Trenchtown in Kingston. Police reports are that the body was discovered at about 8 a.m. beside a chicken coop on a premises along 7th Street, Trenchtown, in the vicinity of the Block Factory. The body was that of a male in an advanced state of decomposition, clad in yellow shorts and blue underwear. The Trenchtown police are investigating. A Westmoreland man, who police describe as a known violence producer, was shot dead by gunmen on the Waterworks Main Road in Whitehorn, Westmoreland, Tuesday evening. The deceased, identified as Jovel Gaga Adiman, 31, a farmer barber from Waterworks District, was reportedly killed while riding a motorcycle. Reports are that about 6 p.m., Adiman was home with a family member when a friend visited him on a motorcycle. He subsequently borrowed the motorbike and rode to a nearby bar along the Waterworks Main Road. Police said Adiman left the bar and was returning home when another motorcycle with two men drove up behind him and opened fire, hitting him and causing him to lose control of the bike and fall. The pillion, the police said, then came off the other motorcycle and continued to fire several shots, hitting Adiman multiple times in his head and face. The culprits reportedly left on their motorcycle in the direction of Whitehorn. The police was summoned and found Adiman lying motionless. He was subsequently transported to the Savannah Public General Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. A trucker was robbed of an undetermined sum of money by unknown assailants in St. Catherine yesterday and his truck set ablaze by his attackers. The Corporate Communication Unit confirmed that the robbery took place at about 7:30 p.m. on Tuesday. Video footage of the truck, which was set ablaze, emerged on Tuesday night, making several rounds on social media. The robbery occurred along a section of the Edward-Seaga Highway in the vicinity of Vanity Fair Bridge. The men robbed him and then set fire to the truck. The trucker was knocked unconscious by the men who robbed him. A source told Observer Online that the trucker, who is employed to a distribution company, was stopped by men who he assumed to be policemen because they were flashing red and blue lights. They stuck a gun in his face and knocked him out and robbed his two phones. They then set fire to the truck because they were upset that they couldn't get access to a revolving safe in the truck that cannot be accessed so easily. So they set fire to the truck out of spite, the source said. The police are investigating.